In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common Steam issue where no content services are available or when you encounter no internet connection problems. If you've ever been stuck and unable to access your favorite games due to these issues, this guide will help you quickly get back on track in just 5 minutes. First, let's begin by opening your Steam application. If you haven't launched it yet, find the Steam icon on your desktop or in your start menu and give it a click. Once you're in, the next step is to log into your account if you aren't already. You should see a login button, go ahead and click that. It's important to note that being logged in is crucial for any further steps, as it allows you to access all the necessary settings. Now when prompted, enter your Steam account name and password. Double check to ensure that both are entered correctly before proceeding to the next step. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, go ahead and click the sign in button to access your account. Once you're signed in and on your Steam homepage, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Steam menu. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From this list, select Settings. This is where you can adjust various options that might be causing connectivity issues. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Downloads section. Here, one important step is to disable game file transfer over a local network. This option, while useful in some cases, can interfere with your ability to connect properly to content services if there's an issue on your network. So flip that switch off. After turning off the transfer option, it's important to restart your game. Often a simple restart can clear minor issues and refresh your connections, enabling you to access the content services as intended. If you're still experiencing issues, there's another option to explore. Navigate to the storage option within Steam. Here you'll select your current drive, typically where you store your games. Look for 3 dots next to your selected drive. Click on these dots to bring up additional options. From this menu, you want to select Repair Library. The repair feature will scan for and fix any corrupted files or connectivity issues related to your game library, potentially resolving the problem you're facing. By following these steps, you should be able to correct the issue of no content services being available or the no internet connection message in Steam. Remember, these solutions target common causes and can efficiently resolve your connectivity problems, allowing you to dive back into gaming with minimal downtime.